First click on the lower left corner to connect the aircraft. Then click the root icon in the bottom right corner. Unlock the vehicle and fly to point 1. Then click Start Planning in the bottom right corner. Select the aircraft dot. Click the border point on the right to dot. Click Save when you're done. Bring the aircraft down to the ground, return to the main screen, and click Execute. Click Start. Click on the left folder. Select the previously planned route. Click to edit. You can set the line spacing according to your own needs. You can also click above to set other parameters. Click Sure to complete the changes. Click Execute to enter the job parameter settings. Click Sure when the parameters are set. After setting the takeoff height and other parameters, slide the progress bar to start flying. At this point, the use of vertical routes has been introduced.